All right, well, in the middle of loading up the garage for the first time, and I picked up a new workbench. So I'm going to show you this Husky workbench. It's 84-inch, big 4 bays. Thing says it weighs 600 pounds. I think I can just dismantle this crate that it's on, unpack it, and then we'll try to slide it in here. All right, it looks like this thing just comes apart with a couple of bolts. They're either 1/2 inch or 9/16, something like that. Anyhow, I got this bench. I was looking at US Generals, and I was looking at a bunch of different brands. I wasn't going to spend a couple grand on a Snap-on, that's for darn sure. These heavy-duty benches are pretty nice. Soft close drawers and stainless steel top. So it'll be an upgrade from the one I have up there now. I'm going to have to transpose everything. So yeah, that looks like maybe 9/16. Or half. That's not even half, it's metric. Exact fit. Enough. See if this thing collapses on me. Maybe that's a 14. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, let's try this. It seems to be pretty well packed. We're worried about underneath being dinged up. Because of the forklift operator didn't know what he was doing. He broke the pallet. So far, so good. Cardboard. Get out of the bonfire later. Make sure this thing's not banged up anywhere. It looks pretty good. Whoa. Tripod there. Yeah, so it's it's clean. I think it's a good looking box. Got big old casters on it, so hopefully I can just break down the two sides, and it looks like it only needs to rest about a 1/4 inch or so on the a 1/4 inch lower, and the wheels will actually drop down on it. Well, this is where I would have actually showed you where I nearly tipped it over when I was unloading it, after I'd unwrapped it. Anyhow, I'm just saving you a couple minutes of time of seeing me unpackage the rest of the thing and maybe comment on a few of its characteristics, but I accidentally deleted the video. So won't get to see that. Certainly not going to reenact it for fun. So we'll get right into the rest of the box. All right, so this is actually, it's nice, man. It's pretty sweet. It actually has a, you can see here, it's got the surge protector and the USB ports actually on both sides. Well, on this side too. I didn't realize that. Kind of nice. Yeah, these drawers, these are all soft close. I thought they came with liners, so maybe they're rolled up one. There we go. All right, yeah, there's a whole stack of liners. Oh yeah, there's at least an inch thick of liners in here for all the drawers. So that's awesome.
No way I don't have to worry about cutting them to fit. But yeah, man, it's these. You know, they got a little bit of side to side playing, but they're I don't know, for the cost. I think this was $1,300. And again, I feel like the wood one would have been cheaper, but it's going to look nice in here. It matches the Gladiator stuff I already had, and try to start filling this thing up and move my other one out of the other garage here.
All right, so my first impressions now they got it. Yeah, mostly loaded up with the stuff I had upstairs. I kind of wish there was more of a variation in the width or the thickness, depth, whatever of these the drawers. So there's not much room for like holders or anything like that for screwdrivers. I mean, there's barely enough for these big ones to clear. They're pretty strong. They hold a decent amount of weight. This one I got a bunch of weight, and I do like they are deep. They're almost like the full 20 something inches deep. So they hold enough weight to make me happy. Anyhow, I do wish that they might have had some thicker options. Maybe they could have doubled this one up, made a thin one on top. But it is what it is. It's good. I still got a bunch of space left in it. So would I buy it again? Yeah, definitely. The locks on this thing are really nice. They're solid casters. It doesn't wobble. I mean, my floor is pretty level in here anyhow, but it doesn't wobble. You know, the surface feels nice. It's keyed. I'm not a professional mechanic. I just wanted something to hold a lot of stuff and that looked kind of nice. So this is what I ended up going with, and it didn't break the budget. I would love to have a big old snap-on or something like that, but not in this lifetime, I don't think. So anyhow, this will get the job done. If you're looking at the 72-inch or the little smaller ones, I don't know. If you got the room, I would just say just get the bigger one. It wasn't that much more expensive, and I mean, you get almost, you get a third more, drawers and space and stuff like that. So, all right, next video is going to be talking about this guy. See you then.